This is Daniel Cook, smoking joints, drinking beer. Jerking off in his parents' basement. Here we are! Another fucking episode of this goddamn bullshit. Done! See that? You see that? Look at that. That's called my Xbox. Look, look. This is called a fucking controller. Watch. End it. End the episode. Screw it. End it. I said end it!